Announced release of 14 Kuki detainees who had been under the custody of Naga Village Guard Northern Command, citing appeals from Naga churches, tribal bodies, civil organizations and assurances from union and state governments to trace abducted Naga persons and bring the perpetrators to justice. In a public statement issued by UNC President N.G. Lodho, the decision was taken after consultations with stakeholders and in consideration of humanitarian values. While facilitating release of the detainees before public gathering, the Council strongly demanded immediate and safe release of 6 Naga hostages abducted in May. UNC further stated that it will hold the Union Home Ministry and the Manipur government accountable for their assurances to trace the missing persons, identify and arrest those responsible, and ensure strict enforcement of suspension of Operation Sioux ground rules, including camp relocation and rationalization measures. The Council also reaffirmed its commitment to continue pursuing Naga people's pending demands until they are addressed by the government.